Hello, grade 9 students. Hope you are doing well today. Today we will continue Unit 2 Chemical Bonding, but with a new chapter which is the Lewis electron-dot symbol. In our today's session, we will know how to write Lewis electron-dot symbol. We will know more about the octet rule, and we will finish up our session with an assignment. First, let's make a quick review about groups. Each column is called a group. Each element in a group has the same number of electrons in their outer shells. The electrons in the outer shell are called valence electrons. For example, group 1 consists elements that has one valence electron. Group 2 consists of elements that has two valence electrons. Now we'll define together the Lewis electron-dot symbol. The Lewis electron-dot symbol consists of the element symbol for the element surrounded by dots, one for each valence electron. لويس electron-dot symbol تعتمد على إنه نكتب الرمز لهيدا الإليمنت ونحوطه بنقط، وهيدي النقط بترمز لعدد الإلكترونات بالطبقة الأخيرة اللي بنسميهم valence electrons. Now we'll know how to write the Lewis electron-dot symbol. In step 1, we'll find out to which group our element is in. So we'll look at the periodic table and determine in which group the element is in. Then we'll determine the number of valence electrons that the element has. For example, one valence electron if it is in group 1, or two valence electrons if it is in group 2. Step 3, we'll write down the symbol of the element, and finally we will draw the valence electrons around the symbol starting from the right, and we will draw the dots counterclockwise around the element symbol. يعني نحن بنبلش نحط النقط اللي هن رمز للفالنس إلكترون من جهة اليمين وبنمشي عكس عقارب الساعة. Remarks. We have here some remarks. The first four electron dots are placed as a single dot around the four sides of the element symbol. يعني نحن بس نحط الرمز منبلش من جهة اليمين ومنحط أول أربعة كل واحد بشكل منفرد، واحد على اليمين، واحد من فوق، واحد على الشمال، واحد من تحت. When an atom has more than four valence electrons, the first four single dots are placed around the symbol of the element, and then each single dot is paired respectively, as we see in this picture in front of us. مثل ما عم نشوف بالصورة اللي قدامنا، بنحط أول نقطة أو أول دوت اللي بتعبر عن الفالنس إلكترون مطرح رقم 1، نرجع بنمشي على رقم 2، نرجع بنحط بالرقم 3، نرجع بنحط بالرقم 4، وبعدين بننتقل بنحط النقطة الثانية تحت النقطة الأولى اللي بلشنا فيها. يعني على طول بنكمل دائرة كاملة عكس عقارب الساعة وبنرجع بنحط على شكل pairs، على شكل جوز. An example, we must write the Lewis electron-dot symbol for carbon. Step 1, we must find out to which group or column carbon is in. Carbon is in the first group. So carbon has 4 valence electrons. In the third step, we must write the symbol of carbon, which is C. And finally, we must draw the valence electrons. We start at the right, then we put another one upward, and the third one to the left, and finally the fourth one down. Now we'll write the Lewis electron-dot symbol for phosphorus. Phosphorus is in the fifth group. It has 5 valence electrons, and the symbol of the phosphorus is B. Now we will write electron-dot symbol of phosphorus. We start with the first dot at the right, then upward, then to the left, then downward, and then we will start again at the right, and finally we will have the phosphorus symbol surrounded by 5 dots that represent the 5 valence electrons. Now we'll talk briefly about the octet rule. Inert gas has 8 valence electrons. Inert gases have 4 pairs of electrons. The formation of chemical bonds to achieve the electron arrangement of inert gases is called the octet rule, which states that atoms tend to gain, lose, or share electrons in order to acquire a stable octet of valence electrons. And now we'll finish up our session for today with an assignment. Here you have 6 elements that you must write the lowest dot symbol of each one of them, and I put down the periodic table to make it easy for you. Please solve the assignment and send me the homework back privately on WhatsApp.